that your guy is a spamonzon kezecodon, or what Spanish man called mojorego, or what French man called the Corio de Jampons, or Igbo man call it Casanova, shouldn't make you to entertain any pandemonium or have any dispute with him. My advice, I repeat, my advice for you is you go and learn how to prepare Yoruba stew, a palatable Yoruba stew. Prepare it for him. If you don't know how to prepare it, to go and learn. Prepare a Yoruba stew for your guy. Serve it for him. Make sure he eats it to the brim. Few hours later, wait for him at the toilet door with your cane. Inside there, both of you will reach an agreement on how he should behave in the family. Simple as ABCD. Do it and call me and thank me later.